are you guys? Welcome to this year's first cash stuffing, I guess you can say. I'm super excited because again, there's a lot of new people, new subscribers. I thank you guys so much for the love, and this community has been so amazing. And yeah, I'm really excited to keep producing these videos for you and bringing more cash envelopes for you guys, different savings challenges throughout the year. All right, so let's jump into it. We have everything here in frame. Today we're gonna stuff my cash envelopes in my new wallet from Moterm. We're also gonna do our sinking funds as well. We're gonna stuff those. And we're also going to do a bill exchange because we have quite a bit of money in our sinking funds. So I do want to take that out, take it to the bank. So I did get these $1,000 placeholders. So we'll be using a few of these today. Also, just really quick, just a little announcement. If you guys are ordering anything from the shop, which again, I thank you guys so much for those who have placed an order, but I just wanted to let you know that all orders placed in the new year and moving forward until I guess we run out, will be receiving a $1,000 placeholder as like a freebie. Now these are a little bit thinner than I would have liked, but I think they are still great and functional. And if you're a budgeter, obviously, if you're purchasing from the shop, you're probably a budgeter. So I think this would be a great freebie for you guys. I had been going back and forth on, you know, thinking of what can I offer as a freebie? Like I could have done like thank you cards, but those aren't really reusable. And you guys know I want you guys to use everything, reuse things if you can. So I figured this would be a great freebie instead of like a little thank you postcard. I don't know. You guys know how thankful I am for you. So again, I wanted your freebie to be functional. So all orders placed will receive a $1,000 placeholder. Again, starting January 1st and beyond, because we are going to count our cash and do our cash envelopes first. And yeah, so here's all the cash that we have. Let's just organize it. We should have $927 total, so let's just make sure it's all here. All the money's here, $927. Okay. For all of the people that are new, if you guys are curious, I am a freelance digital marketer, and then I also have the online shop as well. So this particular paycheck, I guess you can say, is from the shop. And I put number 1 because it's like the first week of January. So on this channel, I will be sharing that aspect of my income. My other income it fluctuates so much, it's really hard to keep track. And usually I just pay my bills with that other income. But this amount right here, $927, is not even the full amount of what I made in the shop. This is just what I pulled out because obviously I put some into savings, other bills, and other little things. So this is just what we're working with today. First thing we're going to do really quick is our cash envelope. This right here is my Moterm wallet. I absolutely love it. It has the 19mm rings, and in here I just have my cash envelopes. The first category that we have here is giving. It's not getting anything because I still have quite a few dollars from before, so we'll just count that really quick. $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7 still in giving. So when this gets a little bit lower, I'll add more money to it. These are A7 sized envelopes, and they are in the shop. Then we have gas. Gas is gonna get $30 this week. Household is getting $15. Okay, and this is just anything I need around the house. I actually have to get more tissues. I have had like a sniffly nose for the past like 4 months, but it's also like allergies and stuff like that. So 15 in household. Eating out is getting 15. And this is just if I want something quick and I'm like out and about in the city. I have some cash in here. Also, I fold it like this because I don't know, I saw somebody do it in a YouTube video and I thought it was clever. So last envelope is spending. This is my personal spending, and it's getting $12, and that's 10, 11, 12. Again, if I'm just kind of like out and about and I want to get something, this is just for me to spend on anything, nothing in particular. Okay, whoops. There we go. So that is everything for our cash envelopes. The total for our cash envelopes, we stuffed $65. Okay, now we're going to move on to our sinking funds. I'm going to start with our purple binder right here as per usual. And yeah, let's get into it. Here are all the categories. I hope you guys can see that. And I will be counting out and writing in the balance with you guys. Emergency is getting 25. 20 and 5. Okay. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 450, 550, 570, 575 in emergency. Ooh, that was terrible. 575. Oops. And again, if you guys are curious, that is the GoodNotes5 app. I think it costs around $8, so you do have to pay for it, but you can easily upload any digital picture or anything like that, and you can write on it, which is nice. Okay, and also my iPad is like the 7th generation. It's like the older iPad, so yeah, I've gotten questions about that before, and this is just an Apple Pencil. I'm trying to answer all these questions that people have commented, just in case you're curious. Also, cash tray, linked down below. All the products are linked down below. Medical is going to get 25. Let's take that out. We'll do a 20 and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 450, 500, 520, 40, 60, 75, 575. Oh my gosh, my handwriting is terrible on this iPad. I still have to get used to it. Okay, so that's medical. And then we have car insurance. So car insurance is just getting $20 because we got a head start on this in our last video. So we have $50, $70, $90 in car insurance. I hate when it's bent like that. Let's fix it. Okay. 90. Okay, new car. We're finally putting a little bit in new car. I haven't stuffed this in months because it's just not a top priority for me. So $10 is going into new car. So that's 100, 2, 3, 4, 500, 520, 40, 60, 80, 90, 590 in new car. Also, again, a lot of people are new here, so I just want to give you guys a heads up that I live in the city. I live in Philadelphia, so you might hear city noises here and there. Invest doesn't have anything, and it's getting 25. Our first 25 in Invest. I'm really excited to see that one grow. And I don't know what goal I have for this yet, and then whatever goal I set for it, once I hit that goal, I will transfer it out and invest in something. Okay, new phone gets $20. So now we have 70 in new phone, which is exciting. And then we have taxes. So taxes, this one's getting a lot, you guys. This one's getting $420 because whatever I make in the shop, obviously I want to put aside money for taxes, and I am guesstimating about 25%. So yeah, we're putting away 402, 1, 2, 3, 400 and $2 in taxes. And yeah, I just want to, you know, cover my ass just in case when tax season comes around. So 402 is our balance in there because we had nothing in there. Travel is going to get just $10. I feel like there's other envelopes I want to allocate to these days, so travel is only getting 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 400, 50, 500, 650, 600, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 735, 36, 37, oops, 747. There we go. 747 in travel, which is pretty good. I'm excited about this envelope because it's getting up there. Bachelorette is being skipped. I'll move this up. so you guys can see a little bit better. That's fully funded. Greece. Greece is getting 25, and again, for anybody that's new, I am going to Greece for my cousin's wedding. There's a 20 and a 5, and my cousin's, yeah, she's getting married over there. So that's in August. So we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1,000, 150, 200, 250, 270, 280, 285, $1,285 in Greece. So let's write that in. $1,285. Also in Bachelorette, we didn't count it, but it has $1,295. These are the 2 envelopes that I have to do a bill exchange for, because that's too much money to have in cash. So I will be bringing in these $1,000 placeholders. Okay, Debt Snowball, we're gonna put some money in Debt Snowball, and it's getting $20. It has nothing. So my goal for this is I want it to reach $500. And then once it reaches 500, I'll take it out and I'll throw it right towards my credit card. So I'm excited to see that grow throughout the year. Okay, so that's our purple sinking funds binder, and the mint green is our short term. So we'll get into this one. Family here is getting $10, and I love stuffing this envelope. It just makes like taking out my family so easy, and I feel good about it. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 150, 170, 180 in family. Okay, so 180. And then special occasions is just getting $10 as well. So here we go. 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 135. Okay, 135 in special occasions. Car maintenance is getting just 15. Again, I had my oil change recently, so I don't really need anything else for my car. Actually, my mechanic said I need 2 back tires, so that's gonna have to happen soon. It's getting really cold in Philadelphia. All right, so we have 50, 150, 200, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 269 in car maintenance. So 269. I don't even know how much tires are anymore. I always forget because I am not a car person. Home is getting $10, and that leaves us with $60 for the balance. Okay, so 60 in home. Beauty is getting 15. So we have 10, 15. So we have 50, 70, 80, 90. Wait a minute. Oh, here we go. I was like, we are missing money. I have more than that. So in beauty, we have 100, 50, 170, 180, 190, 195. That makes more sense. I was about to freak out for a second because I was like, I have more in beauty. 195. Date night's getting 15 as well. And you guys, I've been slacking on my date nights. Also, if you're new, I'm single. I've been single for like 3 years now, and this date night is for me to take myself out on dates. Again, I'm supposed to start a whole series on it on Instagram, so we'll see about that on my personal Instagram. Also, if you're new, you might not know that I've been doing YouTube videos for over like 12 years. I have a main channel. It's like beauty, lifestyle, all of that. I'll link it down below if you want to follow, but it's been crazy. I've been sharing my life on the internet for like 12 years. Anyway, date night is another series that's coming soon. So 50, 100, 110, 120, 125 in date night. And that's a nice cushion there. Pet care is getting 18. And let's see. Why did I do that? Wait, 18. I'm out of it, you guys. What's going on? 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Oh my goodness. I hope I did this right. It's okay, you guys. I'm human. I'm human. So we have 50, 100, 150, 160, 65, 70, 171, 2, 3, 4, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So 179 in pet care, which is great. That's actually amazing. And then for me, I'm just getting $10. I still have my money in here. I haven't done much with it, so yeah. We have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220, 230 in my envelope, 230. And then business is the last envelope. That's getting 170, you guys, because I'm so grateful for all the shop orders. It's been amazing. And yeah, this is what's left here. So it's 170. But yeah, you guys, I've been buying supplies like crazy, and I thank you guys so much. I'm so grateful for your orders. So we're putting 170 into business because, you know, we got to keep it up. We got to keep going. 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 240, 250, 55, 56, 57. 257 in business. And I want to get this stuffed pretty high because there's a few new things that I want to do. So what did we say, 257? So that is everything there. I'm going to total up really quick. All right, you guys, really quick, I realized this number is wrong right here. So I'm just going to erase my cash envelope total and rewrite that it was $72 in my cash envelopes. And then our total for our sinking funds, the balance here is $7,304, which is amazing.